Hello everybody, my name is Francesca. You can see my picture here. I'm going to be the teacher who is going to examine you this summer. I would like to present what you are going to work with. By this time you have access to this page, so you will be able to see that you are going to have to take a oral exam and a written exam. In the oral exam you are supposed to work with 5 themes, topics, and these are fathers, Raymond Carver, Nigeria, multicultural Britain, and American values in speeches. You can access the text by clicking open Sektioner, and there you find the text. They are all online. You won't need to collect any book at school. You will just have to work with the material you find online. The exam, we are going to have a meeting about the exam, both written and oral exam, but I might as well tell you that for the oral exam you will get a text you have not seen before, an unknown text, and you will have to show that you can analyze it and compare it to the other texts belonging to the same theme. You will have 1 hour to prepare yourself, and then the exam will take half an hour altogether. So you do need to read the text and take notes while you read them, because by the time you're done with them, you will have read lots of them and you will tend to forget them. So make sure you write notes. At least when we're done with the theme, write notes about the text you'll be working with. The written exam is going to be on the 17th of May at 9 o'clock. And you can find information about the written exam here, skriftlig exam. You will also find information about the oral exam here. So make sure that you know what is expected of you before you come to the exam. If you have any question, you're welcome to contact me. This is my mail. And as I mentioned before, I will hold a course, a meeting. We'll have a meeting about a month before the exam, where we can go into details. But make sure you read all the texts that belong to these themes. That's a good way to start. Okay, have a nice time. Hi.